Hello all, welcome to the series of Constitution of India. In this phase, we are going to start learning about the history of Constitution. So the British company known as English East India Company, as we all know, came to India in 1600 AD as traders. So in 1600 AD, British East India Company came to India as traders. The company has exclusive right to trade in India. In year 1765, East India Company obtained Diwani, that is right over revenue and civil justice. Just keep in mind what is actually Diwani. Diwani is rights over revenue and civil justice of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Okay, so these were the three states it obtained Diwani. After the Sepoy Mutiny in the year 1858, the British Crown assumed direct responsibility for the governance of India. It continued up to August 15, 1947, after India is a free country. India got its independence on 15th August 1947. So after that, till that time, British had assumed its direct responsibility. Before 1947, India was divided into two main entities. First one was British India, which consisted of 11 provinces, and second was princely states. Princely states ruled by Indian princes under subsidiary alliance policy. Two entities merged together to form Indian Union, but many of the legacy systems in British India is followed even today. The historical underpinning and evolution of Indian Constitution can be traced to many regulations and acts passed before Indian independence. The next topic is Indian system of administration in the history of Constitution. So all this is linked to history because it is very necessary to know why our constitution is the way it is and why it is little bit different than other countries and what are the differences and all that things. So for that you need to understand the history of the constitution, that from where it came from, what were the situations before constitution came into force. So system of administration, Indian democracy is a parliamentary form of democracy. So you have to remember which form of democracy is India, then it is parliamentary form of democracy, where the executive is responsible to the parliament. The parliament has two houses. This is very basic. The parliament has two houses. One is Lok Sabha and second is Rajya Sabha. Also the type of governance is federal. That is, there is separate executive and legislature at center and states. We also have self-governance at local government levels. All these systems owe their legacy to British administration. Let us see the historical background of Indian Constitution and its development over the rules. So in the next coming up lectures in this series, we will be seeing all the regulating acts and the important acts of India during the British rule. So stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.